everyone plugged in. Today guys, we are going to do some drilling. But not me, my dad. My dad and I decided to build a shelf to put all my toy cars. Because I have a lot of toy cars and toy trucks. This is just some of the toys that I have. But I have more to show you. Look, it's a lot. Look guys, I have a car full of cars. My dad helped me to fix the shelf. We bought it in IKEA. So here is it. Today I'm going to show you how to arrange my toys in the shelf. So let's get started. Step number 1, sort the small ones and the big ones. So, I'm going to put the tiny trucks, the big trucks, the large trucks, in the bottom. Like that. I like it like that. Ambulance, broken ambulance. It's mashed on the back. Remember that? I'm done. Come back here. Oopsie daisy. And this is how you arrange your cards. Remember, after you're done playing, remember to tidy up. Remember to keep back where you take it. And that way, always stay clean. Bye. So like this video, like and hit the bell icon and subscribe.